May 31st is going down in a major way. 10-year anniversary, Notorious Bike Car Club. We inviting y'all out. We want y'all to come out, have a good time. It's gonna be nothing but good vibes, nothing but super much fun, nothing but bikes, nothing but some clean show bikes, nothing but some clean cars, and of course the community. So we want y'all to come out May 31st. Make sure you DM Tom or text the road captain. His number is on the flyer. You can text him for all inquiries of sponsoring or vending spaces. Candy or small things of that nature, I believe, are acceptable. But nevertheless, if you have a fundraiser, Girl Scout cookies, Boy Scout cookies, I believe those are acceptable. But nevertheless, May 31st, 2K26 at King Hibachi, right off of Main Street, Grand Prairie. That's right, it's going down, 10-year anniversary, the biggest. All right, so I'm underneath the truck, and I'm finna do a little cleaning underneath it. Let me show y'all what I did so far. Nothing. That's all I did right here. Look. That's all I did. That's it. And looked underneath it. It's dirty. If I was a professional car club member, I'm sure I'd be fine because my frame is dirty. That's kind of how I approach my car, my Lolo, even my regular vehicle. I approach it as if I was a professional, and top to bottom, how would I want it to look? Clean, neat. So I'm finna go through it, check all my oils. I'm finna do an inspection on it, like Uncle Tweet says. Do your inspection, check everything, see how it's looking underneath there, your oils, all that, man. So I'm finna do all that real quick, and yeah, y'all stay tuned. So I had to move y'all to the driveway. And right now, I'm finna take off all my wheels and tighten up all my nuts and bolts and all my lug nuts, all my adapters. Tweet from Professionals, King of Chevys, he recommended that. And so that's what I'm doing right now. And head over to the road captain's house, clean up the frame just a little bit. We're gonna clean this area up a little bit. I'm gonna wash the truck a little bit up and kind of just wipe it down real good, clean all my chrome and stuff up, and then we're gonna take a nice little cruise. So stay tuned. Yeah. About time for a new hammer. But as my club, as my primo say, don't get rid of it. Also, make sure you know which way you're going your adapters. Road captain say counterclockwise this way, passenger side, counterclockwise driver's side. Y'all didn't have to pay for that game, I gave it to you. Alright. I don't have mine marked and labeled, but I will do that. I'm finna clean this up too as well. I'm finna clean these up individually, so let me knock that out. Oh man. Wow. Y'all have got to see this. So this is your adapter, of course. These seem to be okay. This one's a little stripped off, a little rusted, but I'm still gonna tighten them up and check them and just kind of, you know. But y'all gotta see this. All right, cool. Can't do that. Cool. Yeah. All right. Watch this. This is for me lifting it up and checking it right now. This is what Tweet was saying about tighten up your bolts and making sure you're good. And if I didn't check this, because I kept hearing a rattle, and I thought it was the adapter, but I'm glad I checked this, because yeah, this whole baby is moving and grooving and shaking. And so I know these are tight. I know my lowers are tight because I did my lower ball joints. And I know those are tight because I went through all those. But go through them again because you just never know. You know what I mean? You just never know with low riding. They didn't make these cars, GM didn't make these vehicles to do what we do to them as low riders. So I do have some upper control arms being extended 1.5 inches and reinforced. But for to get in here and tighten this up. I think that's the only issue I'm having with the rattle. I think I'm missing the bolt right here, y'all. Uh-oh. So here's the issue I just ran into. Y'all seen the bolt loose. Look at this. Y'all see that? Look at this. Y'all see that? No bolt in either one of them. Look at this. Oh man, low rider problems, huh? I'm gonna blame the road captain. But nevertheless, man, that's that. Man. All right, we got work to do.